Hey, how you guys doing? Welcome to the Lee Homestead. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to make a hog automatic waterer. So the supplies you need to make an automatic hog waterer, like you see on that, I'm going to do the other side. I got these hog nipples from Amazon. They seem to work awesome. So you need one of these. I'll also put a link in the description below. A power drill, this type of a bit, 3/4, and some plumber's tape. So once you have everything, you want to pick the height for your hog so they'll be able to drink out of it. There's one at that height for smaller pigs, and I'm going to make one a little bit taller as they get older. So you drill your hole where you want it. And what I'm using is a 100-gallon Rubbermaid tub. You can get at Tractor Supply. So once you have your hole dug, clean it out. Definitely don't want bits floating around. Take your hog nipple and your plumber's tape, and you wrap plumber's tape around it. So once you get the plumber's tape wrapped around it, as so, stick it in the hole and screw it in. It has a spot for a wrench where you can tighten it with a wrench if you like. That's one of the big things that I like about these. So, like I said before, I'll put a link in the description below, but you can get these off of Amazon, 10 of these for $27, so that's not bad at all. And they have the filter screen on the back side. But yeah, I'm hand tightening these. It's a little tough, but it'll work. So, once you tighten them, let's see how we did. So when it comes to plumbing, I don't trust anything that's hand tight. So I went ahead and tightened down the nipples with some channel locks. So let's fill it up and see how they work. Now that we got the tank mostly full, at least above the line for the nipples, let's see how they did. So no leaks, and testing it out, it works great, each one. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.